Hello, my name is Infinity and I am back with another channel chat type video. I'm actually kind of excited to open up my box that I ordered from Lion Brand back before hiatus. It contains some really cool colors, no pun intended. I I look, I like making my really long scarves. I haven't come up with a name for them yet, I don't think. Or maybe I did. I don't remember. I'll have to look back. But I make these scarves that are knitted, and they are knitted 493 rows in the round, and they are great. I only do them because I can put them on my central machine and crank them out with ease. So yeah, I wanted to get some more of that specific yarn that I like using for that project. It's an entire skein of mandala. So I have a box of mandalas. So I wanted to kind of share them with you today. I also bought, I guess I'll use this first since it's a smaller bag. I bought more or ordered more loops and threads and packable. I got it in this really, I think it's called amethyst. It is, because I'll call it eggplant otherwise. It's for this blanket that I have been working on probably since December. Or maybe the beginning of January, somewhere in that time frame. I just didn't have the time. I was so busy with work and school and running around and having to do all the stuff for that. So of course, once the lockdown started, I was able to work on a lot of my projects and actually get some progress done. So happy about that. So yeah, I ran out of yarn. I was playing yarn chicken with my main color, and actually I'm gonna pop that blanket up somewhere this side, on this side. I worked it up, and 2 skeins got me that far, and I'm like, well, and at the point I was working, like the point where I ordered this yarn, I wasn't sure if that second skein was gonna help me finish my design or not. So I went ahead and I bought the yarn. Of course, Michaels, when you order from Michaels, they have you to order sometimes in quantities of 3. So I figured I'd use the other 2 skeins for some other project since they clearly got me that far on a heart blanket. But anyway, the main feature of this video today is from Lion Brand. So it's gonna go into my box. I sliced it open, but I didn't actually go in it because at the time when I got it, I knew what was in it, but I kind of forgot what I ordered at this point. But I really like the mandalas. I don't so much crochet with them because it's thin. It's like a DK weight yarn, but it's really lovely regardless. They work up in these variegated patterns like stripes. So this would be a good time to pop a picture of that scarf up on my screen, but they work up in these really large stripes on my machine, and it is really fun. So if I can get a whole scarf out of one of these, that'd be great. And I'm thinking maybe, I ordered them in sets of 2, so I was thinking, you know, one specifically could just be a long scarf, and then one could be a beanie, and then a like shorter, definitely shorter scarf. So that was my thinking when I ordered it. This color, which I am absolute love with this color. It's different shades of green and blue, and there's some yellow in there. It's called Kraken. Very pretty. I look forward to working with this a lot, and maybe probably will make myself something with it. I don't know. Not sure. I also didn't plan out how I would put things away once I took them out of the box. My yarn table is a bit of a mess, but I think that's okay. I got this other color. This color is called Elf. This is really pretty. So I think I have a thing for like spring colors right now. But I love variegation, like between green and blue, or green and blue ombres and gradients. I think they're very pretty and serene. So yeah, I think I'd probably buy quite a few of those. So I'm gonna just try to stack these over to the side without knocking over a project or anything. Like I said, I got 2 of each color. Pretty sure I got 2 of each color. I don't know. Sometimes I can be a little biased and I intend to buy 2 of per color, and I end up buying like 3, but that's just a yarn problem. I think I have a problem when it comes to yarn. I don't know about you guys, but I really at this point miss going to a craft store and just kind of sifting through the yarn. It's like one of the fun parts of crafting to me. I don't know about y'all, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, this color, this is the color I think it is. This color is called Brownie. Now this one isn't as bold as I was expecting it to be, and I know that the colors tend to differ from online, so hey, it is what it is. But I think once I actually work it up, I will like it a lot better than I do at this very moment. But this is nice for like stuff for guys, or that nice neutral color palette thing. More fall colors, I think. And then put this to the side. What else do I have? I bought one skein of this. So this Gnome is my favorite. I know this color by heart. This one's my favorite. Like, I worked up that scarf and I fell in love. And I'm like, it's a shame that this is the only thing that I have made with this color. It's so vibrant. Like, you wouldn't be able to tell by my wardrobe, but I do like colors, but they have to be very specific. This was really cool, and this was a fun thing to see crank out on my machine. So with this one, like I said, I'm gonna make a hat and a scarf set with this one, since I already have the long scarf made out with that color. Such a beautiful color. Oh, I have also, this one's called Chimera. Now this is like Gnome, but it's like muted cousin that's equally as pretty. It's just different. So I like how I put that. Wait. That was really good. I really like this one because I also like really muted colors. So like the sage green in here, it looks really bright on the camera. No, maybe not. This sage green in here, I really enjoy that. And I think it's a good pop of color between all that bright like mustard and the blue. Like this blue isn't bright, but it's kind of dusty and it pops. I guess, okay, whatever. Color theory, fun. Color theory is so much fun. I lied. Okay, this color is called Pixie. Now this is not a color that I would typically buy. It's girly, in my opinion. It's kind of girly, and of course this, the projects that I make with this won't be for me, but I figured that I would travel a little bit outside of my comfort zone with this colorway, just because I was bored and I wanted to shop for yarn, which you guys can see my yarn shelf this time, so I probably didn't need to, but I did that because I could. And yeah, so yeah, adulthood is fun. I'm actually in love with this next colorway, and I have never touched this color or seen it in person ever, but this right here, this is magic. Like, that blue is so rich on there. And no, blue is not my favorite color, but it's really rich in here. And then, like, it contrasts very well with that, like, neon green, yellow green, and then the scent. It's just nice, okay? Like, all of these are really nice. And clearly some of them I'm more biased towards than others because of my personal preference. But I think mandalas are really great. Like, really, really great. And no, I'm not sponsored, but they're great. I don't know. Like, I feel like I want to branch out and make more things out of them. Oh, you know what? My nearly solid shawl would probably look really good with these. I didn't think about that when I ordered them, which was probably a good thing. I'm running out of space to store my yarn. I'm not working fast enough at this point. But I am glad that I have this stuff in storage. Now, this yarn, this is for real girly. Like, this is... No, I would never wear it. I would never wear it, but I do recognize it for being extremely pretty. And I know there are a lot of women and a lot of like little kids that like this color scheme or would like this color scheme. So there it is. Okay, so those are all my colors that I bought, but I'm really happy with them, and I'm pleasantly surprised by all of them except for the brownie one. Like I said, I was expecting it to be a richer color, and like even on the swatch it's a little darker. Like, there are darker shades in there. They look more cohesive when they variegate. So I guess when this works up, it looks like this. I don't know. I hope so, because that's kind of why I bought it. But either way, it's going to make something really magnificent. So I will work with it anyway. So I'm going to be busy for the next few days cranking stuff out. If you guys have popped over in my Etsy store, you'll notice that I have posted more patterns. And I have also started listing more of my items over there as well, which I've been like passionate about over this hiatus. This is so great. Also, I am glad to, you know, be back uploading and posting. It's what, July 1st? It's July 1st. Yay. I think it's July 1st. Hopefully it's July 1st when I post this. If it's not, I might cut that part out. But otherwise, you know, I'm cool. I just, I don't know. I'm probably not going to edit this video right away because I feel like something's going to happen between now and when I actually post this video, and I'm going to want to be like, hey guys, guess what? And I don't know if I want to do a separate video for it. But I am going to get all of my yarn and put it away. And I will not make the claim that I will take down my entire yarn shelf, because the last 2 yarn hauls that I did, I said, oh, I'm probably going to have to take down my shelf for that. And I never had to. So here's keeping my fingers crossed, and here's hoping that I don't have to do that whenever I feel the spirit to put my yarn away. Hopefully it's soon. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, comment down below, hold a conversation, I don't mind. Check out my other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Reddit. So, you know, I have something, I'm on everything except for Snapchat. What am I thinking? I am on everything pretty much except for Snapchat. So I have something out there for everyone. Don't forget to check out my blog. There's probably some free patterns over there that I posted over the break. So, you know, who knows? Don't forget to follow. And until next time, guys, happy making.